2025, the CAT 336E Excavator continues to stand as a benchmark for power, efficiency, and reliability in the world of heavy machinery. Built to handle some of the toughest job sites, this machine blends raw strength with advanced technology, making it a favorite choice for construction companies and operators who demand more from their equipment. Its design isn't just about moving dirt, it's about doing it smarter, faster, and with less fuel consumption, proving why it has become one of Caterpillar's most respected excavators. At first glance, the CAT 336E commands attention with its rugged build and the signature Caterpillar yellow finish that has become synonymous with durability. It carries a powerful C9 ACERT engine, delivering around 300 horsepower, ensuring it can power through rock, soil, and debris with ease. The hydraulic system is one of the highlights, engineered to provide smooth and responsive controls, which means operators can take on precision work just as easily as they can tackle large-scale digging tasks. Fuel efficiency is another major talking point. Caterpillar has equipped the 336E with advanced engine and hydraulic technologies that cut down fuel usage while maximizing productivity. In real-world terms, this means lower operating costs and longer working hours without sacrificing performance. For companies, that translates into more profit per job and less downtime on refueling. Step inside the cab, and you're met with a space designed around operator comfort. Caterpillar understands that long hours in the field require more than just performance. It requires an environment that reduces fatigue. The 336E offers an ergonomic seat, excellent visibility from all angles, and intuitive joystick controls that make operation both simple and efficient. Noise levels are kept low, and climate control ensures that no matter the season, the operator can stay focused on the task at hand. Another important factor in 2025 is technology integration, and the CAT 336E doesn't disappoint. It is compatible with CAT-grade control systems, giving operators more precision in grading and digging tasks. Combined with product-linked technology, managers can track machine health, fuel usage, and location remotely, ensuring maximum uptime and smarter fleet management. These features aren't just luxuries anymore, they're necessities in today's competitive construction industry. Maintenance is also made easier with ground-level access points, centralized lubrication, and extended service intervals. Caterpillar designed the 336E to minimize downtime, which is essential when deadlines are tight and every hour on-site matters. In real-world performance, the CAT 336E proves why it has remained one of the most reliable excavators in its class. Whether it's highway construction, large-scale foundation digging, or quarry work, it delivers consistent power and efficiency,